Alright guys, this week we finally find out what the car is. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Bogan Engineering. So, we've been quiet for 2 weeks and we were saying we'd be back every week. What happened? I went on a work trip. And funnily enough, I went all the way from Perth, Western Australia, all the way to Canberra in the Australian Capital Territory. Hang on, isn't that where the car came from? Bugger. So, somewhere around that point, the car and I crossed over. And the car went missing. The guys at the auction place sort of hadn't said anything, so I gave them a call. I was in Canberra, and they said, "Oh no, you know, it should be well on its way. You should see it this week." So this is a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago now. So 2 weeks ago, I'm thinking, cool, the car, nearly 3 actually. The car's going to arrive this week while I'm in Canberra. That sucks, because I'd like to show you guys, but whatever. Anyway, so I fly home, make my way to Canberra, make my way to Perth. Still no car. It's a bit odd. Give them a call again. Hi, I still don't have a car. Oh no, it should be there. Okay, call up the office here in Perth. No, we have no idea what you're talking about. We haven't received that car. Bugger. So I call Canberra again and I ask them, what has happened to the car? Oh, we don't know. So another week of back and forth, the usual stuff. Anyway, they give the car company or the car transport company a call. It's been sitting in Perth for about a week and a half. Excellent. One problem. I was going on holiday the next day, and organising to pick the car up was next to impossible. So we had to delay it again. However, it's finally here. So let me show you just what it is. So you can see here on the screen it's a 2017 Mazda MX5. You can see from the pictures here it's had a bit of a hard crash on the front end. It's had its Rio bar pushed. It looks like there's some damage under here. We couldn't get many good images, but we were really keen to pick up this car. Now you can see, at the moment I've had to save this page because it's been a couple of weeks now. They don't have it on their website anymore, but we have saved photos. So this is what it looked like. You can see here, looks pretty good on this side. Minimal mass damage, but look at that. That's quite a bit of damage. You can see it, the hood's pushed all the way to the right there, but it hasn't activated the active bonnet. So fingers crossed, hopefully that hasn't been activated. Now, if you look here, the Rio's been pushed all the way past this headlight here. And it's cracked this headlight, I think. You can't quite see from the photos. And then you can see from the photos here also that the back is fine. The motor looks perfect, but the airbags are blown. So, big things. Airbags are blown. At least the front right-hand side and probably the front left-hand side as well. So, let's go take a look. Scooby! No, that doesn't mean Scooby, hang on. The Scooby is there, but... Dun, da, da, da. What do we have here? So, this is our first look at the Mazda MX5 RF Blacktop Edition. So, this is a first year edition of this particular model, 2007, built in January, I believe. Full RF GT Blacktop setup. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Well, you can see the airbags are out. And it looks like we've got a bit of a panel gap problem here, so that might have to be investigated. It might have pushed itself in, I think. We'll have to check those bolts and see if we can't push that forward. Oh, this has gotten infinitely worse. So if we just focus in on that. Yeah, look, you can see here. So the crack in the photo showed crack starting here, and that's now propagated all the way down to here. So, benefit number one, it looks like the impact sensor on this side is actually good. We're missing the lights on this side, I believe. Post is good. Post there is not good. So, I don't know if you can see it here, but that should be connected in there. So this is shifted all the way across to underneath the part of the headlight here. That's a big distance. And you can see here, this has been bent outwards. Yeah, oh, here's the real meat. This is why they wrote her off. So let's take a look. So the auction said panel damage was nil, but rail damage was big. But hang on. Here, look at this. This is bolt on. So this, we can remove this. This, we can also bolt off. Okay, this is good. This is good. I'm not seeing any problems with the engine. And there wasn't any problems when we opened up the hood, but you can see right here, she's pushing right across. So you might have problem with the hinge or even the brackets down in here that may have been pushed. But from what I can see, yeah, that could be it. That could be it. All right, let's take a look. Looks pretty clean. Not seeing any initial damage other than usual wear and tear to that double core radiator there. Plastics look okay. That's gone. If you ever want to wonder why that sensor went off, that right there is your reason why. Because it literally got peeled like a freaking can. So it looks like whatever hit them came in at an angle like this, but really low. So they've either hit something sideways or something low has hit them. It's not making a lot of sense to me how they managed to damage this car, and yet this headlight seems, well, perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong with it, other than it's been pushed back a little bit, which is neither here nor there. All right. So we are going to grab these. Let's take a look. All right. All right, so let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right. So we got power because I trickle charged it overnight. Let's see if we can. Okay, hang on. Hey! Alright, so we've got the infotainment system is working. I agree that driving distracted may cause an accident. You think? That's why the car is in this situation right now. Alright. Now we're not going to attempt to start this car because we have not done an OBD check, we have not checked the oil, we have not checked anything. Let's take a look here. So we got half a tank of gas. We are showing a front active bonnet deployment malfunction. That could be the sensors. And airbags and seatbelts. So you can see here the seatbelt's tight, as tight can be. Both sides got tensioned in the accident. We're gonna have to cut those loose. All right, let's hunt for goodies. No, nothing here. There's MX5, nothing's here. Nothing in the tiny compartment underneath. Nothing above. No. Alright. So far, so good. Oh, well, that was hard work. Right, so we finally know what the car is. It is a 2017 Mazda MX5 RF GT Blacktop. She's a beauty. We are super happy with that car. Now, it's a little bit dirty, so we're going to have to get out and clean it at some point, but it's pretty schmick, and I'm looking forward to this project, and I hope you guys are too. So, keep tuned in, keep coming back, hit that like, hit that subscribe. We'll see you next week. Catch you guys. Right, so thanks for tuning in today. I'm Matt. This has been Bogan Engineering, and if you really like what we're doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're really keen to help support us through this build, hit up our Patreon. The links are all in the description below. Have a good one. Peace out.